Hi, Pinocchio. I'm glad I can see you in our camp. What are you doing here?
I want to have new friends.
Oh, great. So, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Pinocchio. Pinocchio. And guess what? I know all your names. Hello, Amelia. Hi, Gloria. Hello, Ariana. Hi, Chantal. Hello, Jack. Hi, Timothy. Hi, Daniel and Daniel. Hello, Abby. Hi, Chris. Hello, Verna. Hi, Julia. Hello, Amy. Hello, Ewa.
Oh, everybody say hello, Pinocchio. Pinocchio, I have a question. Why is your nose so funny?
It's a long and shameful story.
Oh, tell us, Pinocchio. We just want to know.
Okay. Long time ago, I used to lie a little bit.
Pinocchio.
I mean, a lot.
That's not good. God told us not to lie.
You are right. And what happened is that every time I lied, my nose got longer, and people laughed at me.
Oh, poor Pinocchio. Then what happened?
I lost all my friends because of my lying. They would not believe me until one day I promised them that I'm not going to lie ever.
But your nose is still long. A little bit.
Yes, I know. It's just to remind me not to lie again. Every time I look at myself in the mirror.
Thanks for telling us your story, Pinocchio. Did you know that those who lie are those who try and hide their mistakes?
Yes, that's true. I used to say I do not have any money, so that people give me money. Or tell them no school today, so that I can go out and play.
That's not good, Pinocchio. Listen to this, Pinocchio. Did you know that if you ask God for anything you need, you can have it?
What do you mean by anything?
I'll tell you, the words in the Bible are said by God. And one of the verses says that if you had faith, as what? As what? What were we singing? If we had faith like a mustard seed, you can tell a mountain to move and it shall move.
What? Mountain, move, faith? I don't understand.
I'll tell you, God meant that if we had true faith, we'll get what we ask for.
Really?
Yeah. I'll tell you some stories from the Bible that talks about people who had true faith.
Tell me.
Okay, Pinocchio. Look, my friends. Tell Pinocchio, who is this young person who was a shepherd and used to sing for sheep? Ooh, it is David. Although he was little, he was not scared of the giant Goliath. Yeah. Right, tell Pinocchio, what did David do to this giant Goliath? Tell Pinocchio. Okay, Chantal?
He wasn't scared, so he threw a rock with a slingshot and the rock hit his forehead, and then he fell.
What a brave boy!
And he has a helmet. No?
Yeah, but he was dead. David just put dead like the rock in there, in his forehead, and this is how he died. He's brave, but also had faith that God is with him and will save him. Ready for another story?
Yes, please.
Okay.